This class is a design of experiments class,
aka prototyping class, aka zombie lab. It's a chance for students to basically get a look at what capstone's going to be like for their senior year, but right now they're all sophomores. It's the first dry run. I've never used a laser cutter. I've never used a 3D printer. I don't even know how to start a project. So it's a little bit of project management, a little bit of business, lots of hands-on.
We're doing quality analysis on board games that we're designing ourselves. And we're also doing laser cutting of the actual box of the game. So we get to decide what aspects and specs that we want from each game, and then we can incorporate that into our own design. At GCU, we get a lot of free equipment that we get to use. It's part of our tuition. So there's laser engravers, there's 3D printers, there's bioprinters, literally everything you need.
LaBelle Labs at GCU is all about student learning. We do research, sponsored projects with grants. We have grants for scholarships, but we also do a lot of just projects with students. The blacksmithing club we have here. We also have the Grand Canyon Aerospace Club. LaBelle Labs is kind of like the place to come and get those extracurricular activities and skills learned. The Aerospace Club has people from the business school, CAM. We also have engineers in it. Anyone can join these clubs. It's a chance to see all the stuff we can do here and have fun learning something new.